Hi friends, this is Vivek. Today we are going to talk about it's optimistic. Habitual, a person who's been very habitual about their time, late about their time, but they are very optimistic about their time. ऐसा इन दिस कैलोडोस्कोपिक टाइम दैट यू कैन नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम बहुत हसल बसल में आदमी जो है अपनी जिंदगी काट रहा है everybody is been spending in this hustle bustle. They just become a rattle in their life, but they have been spending their life into this manner. और endorse भी यही कर रहा है. They are endorsing their thing like that कि हर चीज जो है जल्दी पा लेना है, जल्दी करना है, हर चीज में जल्दी है, and they are going nowhere. And afterward that they have been analyzing themselves that they are nowhere. They are somewhere. They have to be need some kind of atraxia, peace of mind. इसलिए फरलॉग लेना भी बहुत जरूरी है, सबैटिकल लेना भी बहुत जरूरी है. यू नीड टू टेक ए सम काइंड ऑफ ए सबैटिकल, यू नीड टू टेक ए सम काइंड ऑफ ए फरलॉग फॉर योर लाइफ टू रिजुवनेट योरसेल्फ. व्हेन यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिजुवनेट तो आप अपनी लाइफ को उस तरह से फुल्ली जी नहीं सकते. यू कैन नॉट लिव योर लाइफ विथ योर एंजॉयमेंट, विथ योर यूफोरिया, विथ योर मेरिट एक्साल्टेशन. आप उसको कहीं ना कहीं मिस करेंगे. एंड लाइफ इज नॉट लाइक ए मशीन that you have to be just stay yourself, and this is a very serendipity for you that you have to spend your time, your life according to yourself. You operate yourself. This is a dolce far niente, and you have to understand the meaning of dolce far niente. Is this ki waste of time? And no, that is not waste of time. That is the time that you are utilizing for your own. अपनी लाइफ को जितना ही आप एक आकार देते हैं, you are going to give a shape to yourself. आप उसी में ढल जाते हैं. that you have to take that kind of a shape. तो आपके ऊपर है that you how you are going to take your life, कहाँ ऑपरेट करना है. हाँ, this is not a kind of thing that you make a habitual for that. You cannot make a idiosyncrasis for that you have become a idiosyncrasis कि नहीं मैं तो बहुत meticulous हूँ, I'm a meticulous kind of a person, I can do this thing just because of this. उससे होता क्या है, ad nauseum हो जाता है. एवरीथिंग इज नॉट, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक ए एड नॉसियम. इफ इट इज बिकम ए एड नॉसियम तो वो आपके लिए लैकलेस्चर हो जाएगा. दैट इट बिकम ए लैकलेस्चर फॉर यू, दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू एंजॉय द थिंग. अदरवाइज यू हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड सम काइंड ऑफ ए निटी ग्रिटी कि हाँ उसमें हमको जो चीज मिलना चाहिए था, दैट वी आर विल बी अवॉइडिंग सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग व्हिच वी आर हैव टू ग्रैब ओवर देयर. जो चीजें हमें मिलनी थी वो चीज मिली नहीं. Whatever we have been achieving, whatever we have been attaining, we are not been assuming at that time. हमारी रबर नेक एक लाइफ की जो होती है वो हमें हमेशा गॉब्समैक करती है. It's always gobsmacked us. Whatever rubber neck we have been created in our mind, we always gobsmacked by that. और जैसे example है, it's a kind of an example. Poverty and prosperity emerge, emigration. उसी तरह टाइम, वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम एंड यूजिंग ए टाइम बाय वेस्टिंग, उसमें भी दोनों में अंतर है. देयर इज अ नुआंस बिटवीन दैट. You have to be dolce far niente. You have feel pleasure while using your time into that manner, and you have been not feeling pleasure or serendipity कि अब मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा, and you feel guilt and vulnerable over there because you make yourself beleaguered. आप अपने आप को जितना बिलीगर्ड बनाएंगे उतने आप चीजों को कॉम्प्लेक्स कर देंगे. That you only do a complex over there. You don't do any kind of thing with any kind of a stimulation. Autostatistical the thing. You have to autostatistical yourself. You have to just make yourself that the thing get improvised all the time. It is not like that you have to be emphasized or accentuate over there कि ये चीज ऐसे है, जो चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. that you have been thinking into that manner, and whatever the thing is been coming over there is just not because of that. आपकी मेहनत, आपका वो सब रंग लाता है, सब रिफ्लेक्शन में दिखता है. इट्स ऑल shows in your reflection. Whatever action you are going to take, it shows in your reflection. But उस reflection के लिए आप maybe you waste your time, you're tits optimistic at that moment when it is seldom, it is when needed, that you have to use that time according to others' perception. It's others' thought. It's not your version and vision that you have to create your own thing. So you have to take your time, whatever you do, take your furlough, take a sabbatical, whenever you need, whenever you want. You have to rejuvenate your ideas, you have to rejuvenate yourself. This is not a peccadillos. ये कोई पैकेट लॉस नहीं है. This is not any kind of a thing that you have to think about, overburden yourself. You have to be ease and you have to relax whenever you have to be in a process. When your process is good, आप वो चीज़ बेहतर ही बनाइए. You have to be just going to improvise that, auto-statistical that. अपना ख्याल रखिए. You have to be auto-statistical in your life. Love you all.